Hi, I'm Dave Balkan. I'm the CEO of Balkan Sewer and Water Main Service. I'm going to give you folks a quick tip. If you're soldering, one of the annoying things when you're soldering is typically you buy these really cheap bristle brushes, and when you're putting the flux on to prep the pipe before you solder it, the bristles come out, and that's kind of, a little bit of annoyance. But here's a quick cure, believe it or not. And I've used this many times, and it's kind of awesome. You take some glue, super glue, gorilla glue, whatever you want to call the glue. You put a few drops at the base of the brush, right? Do that for all your brushes, and every time you solder, the bristles of the brush will not come out anymore. It'll make it much less annoying to do your project, make your brushes last a little bit longer. Just don't try it at home with your hairbrush. That's a little tip too. I hope that helped you out there. Thank you.